Okay, good morning guys. This is our final day, fourth day, doing these two boilers side by side. So I did that first boiler running already, which I forgot to take a video, but for the next boiler, first things first is I pressure test the whole system on this area, and then make sure with the Navien they have this primary manifold built in that we bleed the air out to make sure it doesn't overheat the heat exchanger. Okay, so to bleed it out, it's very simple because they already have all this manifold set up. So what you do is, this is the return and this is the supply. So you want all the air to come out. So the first thing you do is leave these two open, and then they have the drain here. There's a boiler drain here. You just use a flat screwdriver, and then you open it up and let the air out. So because there could be air right here that's stuck by gravity, you know, the air would be filled up there. And then once you know that there's no more air, because you can see there, it's not bubbling up, you shut this down. What happens is the feeder goes in and pass here and goes to the return side. And all the air that gets stuck from the top is going to push it way down. And that way you're filled with water, okay? And then it will just come out here as bubbles, so you'll push everything out. And then once it's done, you just shut this off and open it back up. That's it. And then whatever micro bubbles that's left is gonna come out in this automatic air vent. Okay, very easy, simple. It takes like 1 minute to do that, but that's very important because if you don't do that, you could overheat the heat exchanger. Okay, so Navien boiler NHB, that's 110. This is NHB 80. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe.
All right.
Shut up.